Hello everyone, today we're gonna discuss how you can create stunning 3D animations using AI for absolutely free. You don't need any sort of subscription, you don't need some beast of a hardware, you don't even need a computer. You can do this whole process from your mobile. And without much ado, let's get straight into our video. First of all, once you head over to this website deepmotion.com, you have to sign up, meaning you have to create your account. For that, you have to enter your username and email address, select one of these options, and then click on the Get Started button. Then you will be prompted to log in to your account through the portal like you see here. So I'm quickly gonna log into my account since I have already created it. Alright, once you're done creating the account and have logged in using your credentials, you will be presented with the dashboard similar to this, which is currently loading up. Okay, so this is how it looks at first. And of all these options, the only thing we are interested in is the Animate 3D. If we tap on that and click on this Get Started button, we will be presented with this screen where it says some guidelines, meaning animation quality mostly depends on your input video. So they're basically telling us that our input video should not contain any cartoon characters or people with loose clothing or multiple people. So we're simply gonna skip this. You can read more if you would like to. Also, no object occlusions should be present. And here we have something interesting. As you can see, there are two options we have which we can choose from. By tapping on this button, we have either 3D pose or 3D animation. But since we are interested in the animation, so we're gonna choose this option. And then as you can tell, we need a 3D model for our animation. And to make things easier, this website has given us the option to create our own models. If you tap on this button, in this page you are presented with two options. Either a stylized character, which looks more like an anime character avatar, or a realistic avatar. You can choose either of the options. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna simply select the stylized avatar and wait for it to load up. And here we can choose either we want to have a male character or a female character. It is up to you, whichever you would like to go with. I'm gonna go with the female one. Then up next we can choose a picture, or we can take a selfie if you would like to have the avatar similar to how you look, or you have some picture and you would like it to resemble some character. But we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna select this continue without a photo so we can generate our own character. And here you can choose from a number of faces you like. I'm gonna select this one, and then I will tap on this next button. And now you have a lot of options. You can change the dress if you don't like the original one. Let us explore some of them and see which one seems better for our needs. I think this one suits better as compared with others, but let's have a look at one or two more maybe, so we can make a better decision. Alright, I think this looks best so far, so I'm gonna go with this dress. You can also change her hair color. Let's see which one would be suitable with the dress and the clothes she's wearing. Ooh, we also have red. Let's try that one out. It does not look bad. Okay, I think this color looks pretty. We could go with this one. And we could also choose if we want a different type of hairstyle. There are a lot of them we could look through. Let us try this one on, and it looks really cute. So I will keep the hair as it is. Up next we can also add some shades, and we have a number of options here. Okay, I think we can go with this one, and here we can add some makeup to the character. Really, there are a lot of ways you can customize it. You can play around with these settings to make the perfect 3D model you would like. We could also add some tattoos to her face. And we can also add a mask if need be. Then we would have to remove the glasses she's wearing. But anyways, let's try some out and see which one looks good. I think this one suits her better, so we're gonna remove the sunglasses. And then let's tap on the next button. If you would like to reuse this avatar in different applications, then you would be asked to create an account. But we're not gonna do that, so click on this continue without sign up button. And then you can add a name to your character. I'm gonna name my character as Cirilla and save. Then once you have your 3D model ready, we can start creating our animation. On this page you have several options: create, upload, create animation, create static pose. and we're gonna select this one as you might have guessed. And here on this panel, firstly you can select your model by tapping on this change the model button, and then if you scroll down you can see your own model which you have created. Simply double click on that and then choose the reference footage or the input video, and I'm gonna choose this stock dancing footage which I have. It will ask you if the characters are more than 50, you might have to rename the footage, and we're going to do just that. Up next, we can crop our footage, meaning if it is too long and you don't want to wait a long time, simply crop it down, and we're gonna do it around 5 or 4 seconds. I think this much is enough, so I'm gonna tap on the save button. And here on the animation output, enable MP4 output. And then by default you will be given this background, but we want something like a solid green so you can later on edit this footage and use it in other videos. And also disable this enable shadow button because we don't need a shadow layer, we simply want our 3D character. And if you would like an animation output, you have to come here and enable some of these options. You do need root joint at origin, and you do need physics filter enabled, face tracking enabled, hand tracking enabled, and also upper body only, leave that disabled. We don't need to enable that option. Once you're done with these settings, simply click on the create button and then click start job. And here we have our animation ready. Let's have a look. And as you can see, our model is very well animated. And here you see the download button. Simply tap on that and you can select the output format. So we're gonna do MP4 since we want it in a video format. Then I'm gonna tap on this download button, and now we can add our footage into any video we would like. For example, I'm gonna add this to this video here, and now simply click on the effects and search for Ultra Key. Then drag this effect onto our footage, and then where you can see the key color, simply select this tool and then click on the green color, and there our background has been removed. We can position the character accordingly how we would like. I'm gonna make her a little small like that, and then I'm gonna duplicate the footage so it repeats as many times as we need it to be. And as you can see, we have our 3D animated character. So that was it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. You should definitely check out this video, and if you took value, let us know or leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.